Hi, friends. As you know, this world has given us several great inventors and scientists whose inventions and discoveries completely changed the course of human history. We should be really grateful to those highly intelligent men and women who helped us to live an easier life today. But can you believe it that some of the most important inventions and discoveries in this world were completely accidental? They were beautiful mistakes that reshaped our mankind. So, today, let's discuss 5 great but accidental inventions and discoveries. X ray machine. Can you imagine what medical science would be without the X ray machine? X rays are extremely important. Whether you're a patient of pneumonia or swallowed an object accidentally, or even if you broke a bone by mistake, all of these things can be seen in your body only through an X ray. Mr. Wilhelm Röntgen, who was a professor of physics, was doing what experts like him usually do, experimenting. He just wanted to know if cathode rays could pass through glass. So he took a cathode tube and covered it in black paper. To his surprise, a green light passed through the tube. He again experimented and further determined that the light could pass through even human tissue. This news spread like wildfire, and several doctors started using it. As this was a completely new discovery, Mr. Röntgen didn't know what to name it. Therefore, he decided to call it X ray. Chocolate chip cookie. People with a sweet tooth and a love for baked goods most certainly would love a freshly baked choco chip cookie with a warm cup of coffee. But do you know, this delicious treat didn't exist until the 1930s. A lovely lady by the name Ruth Wakefield ran a restaurant in Massachusetts. One fine day, she wanted to bake plain chocolate flavored cookies, but unfortunately, she ran out of baker's chocolate. So, as a last resort, she chopped up a bar of chocolate into small chunks and added it into her batter, thinking that it would melt and get evenly distributed within the batter. But it didn't happen, and thus it led to the creation of the famous decadent cookie that we all enjoy today. Pacemakers. Today, with everything being automated, human beings have started living super sedentary lifestyles. This has led to early onset of heart problems like obesity and heart attacks. There are several heart patients in this world that have their hearts running with the help of pacemakers. Mr. Wilson Greatbatch was an engineering professor at the University of Buffalo. He wanted to make a device that recorded heart sounds, but he, by mistake, used the wrong transistor. This little mistake proved to be a lifesaver for millions of heart patients in the present and future. Mr. Wilson had accidentally created the pacemaker. Coca Cola. Coca Cola is one of the most famous beverage in the world. Its inventor wasn't some beverage company, but instead a pharmacist. Coca Cola wasn't supposed to be a beverage in the first place. It was actually supposed to be a medicine, more specifically, a cure for headaches or a pain reliever. In the year 1886, John Pemberton, a pharmacist, was busy experimenting in his backyard, trying to mix and match a combination of coca leaves and cola nuts. Then suddenly his lab assistant walks in and accidentally drops carbonated water into the liquid mixture. Upon tasting it, both the pharmacist and his assistant like the drink, and they decide on selling it as an alternative for alcoholic drinks. Later, Mr. John sold the rights of the drink, and that's how the story of Coca Cola began. Posted. Can you believe a simple sticky piece of paper can make a company a $5 billion Fortune 500 company? That's just what sticky notes or post-it did for 3M, Minnesota Mining and Manufacturing Company. 3M was previously into selling abrasives, then it sold masking tape, braces, stethoscopes, sponges, but it was Post-it that gave it the fame that it deserved. Post-it was accidentally invented when Dr. Spencer Silver, a 3M scientist, was trying to create a super strong adhesive, but ended up creating a completely opposite one. The adhesive he created stuck lightly to surfaces and didn't grasp tightly at anything. He was clueless about what he could do with this invention. So, years later, his colleague Mr. Arthur Fry suggested him to use this glue mixture on a paper piece that could be used as a bookmark and could be easily removed too. This is how it was released for sale in the 1980s and is yet an essential stationery item. So, friends, I hope you realize that not all mistakes are bad. Sometimes they lead to wonderful conclusions. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, click the bell icon, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.